Want to learn how to make authentic Lao Laap with fresh brown chicken? You could get brown chicken at an Asian grocery store. Start off by chopping off all the limbs. Remove the skin from the breasts and the thighs. You want to keep that because that's going to go in your soup. Meanwhile, take out all the meat because that's what you're going to chop up. After you're done chopping up your meat, you want to cook it. Put in a little bit of oil. And this is also the same time that I make my soup. The recipe for the soup is in the description. After the chicken has been fully cooked, chop up any big pieces with your spoon. Take out the gizzard, liver, and chicken skins out of the pot, and you want to slice them into small pieces. Okay, time to combine everything together. You want to start off with your chopped chicken, add in the gizzards, liver, and skins. When I cook, I don't really have measurements, so I kind of eyeball everything. I like to taste as I go, so then it's perfect. At this time, just put in the yellow onions. You could put in about 1 cup to 1.5 cups of broth to cook the onions. This is going to make your lop juicy as well. Mix in the hot broth with the onions really well, and then after that, put in your herbs. I like to add long beans in there because it gives it a really nice crunch and texture. Put in your roasted rice, and your chili pepper flakes. You could put in as much as you want. Don't forget your galangal. This gives it such a nice little bite. Sprinkle some salt, lime, and a little bit of fish sauce. All done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Coming up next is a little mukbang. Doesn't that look delicious? Okay, let's try this. This is the first time that I tried to fry it. Usually I bake it. I don't really like to fry things too much, but it's faster and it's easier. You see the skin and the chopped up chicken? What is it? So good. Look at that. Yes, love onions. So good. Pepper. Okay.